$678. We have around 300. So, hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you about one of the coolest strategies for the binary options market. And if you want to know how to make millions on the chat, that you need to watch this video right now. Today, as always, I'm going to use several indicators. So first of all, fractal, Keltner channel and stochastic oscillator. Concerning our first trade, as you can see, we're now near the support line, after which I'm expecting the pullback reaction from that zone. That's why I'm opening buy position, investing my $184 in this trade. So now we're just waiting for the results of this option, and to be honest, as always, we're using only short time period of just 1 minute, and we're investing our whole deposit in each trade so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. So the first trade is opened. Now we're just waiting. So today we are trading just 6 currency pairs: Euro GPI, USD BDT, Audi GPI, USD CAD, USD IDR and Euro USD. So fine guys, as you can see, the first trade was profitable one. We have around $353 on the account. That's quite good. Now I think we should continue pumping our deposit. So first of all, let's change our investment to $353. That's the first thing that we should do right now. Now let's check NZD CAD. So okay, we have broken through the middle line of the Keltner channel. Now I'm expecting a good growth, so that's why we're opening buy position, and together with this, stochastic oscillator is also giving us additional information that price will highly likely grow right now. That's why just give me some time to find the best entry point here for our buy position. That's it. Okay, so we have opened our buy position here. We have invested $353. We have just 60 cents left in our account. Once again, we're going all in. Okay guys, so quite good. We have around $678. We have already changed our investment to this amount of money. Now I'm going to analyze the market and find the next currency pair that will be the best one for our trading activity. Let's check NZD CAD. Okay, so here I'm going to open one more buy position because we will highly likely see the pullback reaction from the current zone. According to the stochastic oscillator, it's oversold, and that's giving us additional information that price will highly likely start growing right now. That's why we're opening buy position here, investing our $678. So now just give me some time. I would like to find another trade that will be very good for today. Now I'm changing our investment to $1,000. For now we have $1,288 on the account. And fine, so what else can we find interesting here while I'm thinking? And my friends, don't forget to check the description to this video, because here you will find amazing and cool link for my private TG, in which you will get access to different kind of useful information such as daily signals, daily analytics, daily educational materials and much more. And the most important thing is that if you write me a private message telling me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day at the scheduled time when you get my trading signals, and using them you will get a real cash each day. So do this right now. Subscribe to my private TG, write me a message, and be with Trader Millionaire Michael Trader. Okay guys, so we have opened one more trade. This is sell position. As you can see, we have broken through the middle line of the Keltner channel. According to the stochastic oscillator, it's also dropping right now. That's why we're opening sell position in that case, and we're expecting a good drop right now. And we have invested $1,000 here. Okay, my friends, so this trade was profitable. We have around $2,000 right now, 2,100 bucks. Now let's think about the next trade. For now, we have a quite good start. Just imagine we have started with just only $184 and we have already turned this money into 2,138 bucks. That's really good. Let's open the Euro GPI. What can we find here? Okay, so we have grown significantly. We were in upgoing trend. Now we have reached the overbought position according to the stochastic oscillator, and this is quite a good signal for us to open short position here, expecting the downgoing correction right now. Moreover, we have reached the resistance level and we're expecting the pullback from that zone. So we have invested 2,000 bucks here, expecting a good drop from that zone. And now let's just see what markets will bring to us. Perfectly done, guys. We have around 300, around 8,000 bucks. Okay, let's change our investment to 2 minutes. That's good. So here, I think this will be the last trade for today. We have invested $3,000. As you can see, we're observing the pullback reaction from the counter channel middle line. So now we're going to make the new high of the zone, and that's why we have opened buy position here, investing 3,000 bucks. I would say we're going all in. However, we still have around $900 in the account. This is our hedge assets, because all in all we will be in profits even if this trade is not successful. However, I'm sure that it is successful, and you can see that we're making new high right now and price is growing really well, and it's showing us that we are ready to move forward. That's why let's see what we will get right now, and that's it, guys. Price is doing exactly what I expect, and that's really great. And we still have some time. We have 2 minutes time period right now. We still have some time to observe, to look after this trade. Let's wait a little bit. Let's wait. Okay, my friends, perfectly done. Just look at this shit. We have around 6,700 bucks on the account. We started with just $180 and we turned them into around 7,000 bucks within just several minutes. We spent around 10 minutes and we got 7,000 from $180. That's what I'm doing each day. That's why I really love binary options. If you want to know how to trade exactly like this, you need to subscribe to my private TG, and link for it you can find in the description to this video, and you will trade like a pro with Michael Trader. So do this right now. It's absolutely free. Do this and you will be God blessed trader. So thank you for your attention, my dear friends. Have a nice and profitable day, and bye bye.